In this video, you'll learn how to modify existing reports. These could be standard reports or custom reports previously created in Report Designer. In order to do this, your username must have the appropriate roles. After watching this video, you should be able to add a report object or filter to the query of an existing report. Run the query. Add the new object to the report. Remove a report object from an existing report. As an example of how to add a dimension to a report, I'll use the existing standard report called Items in Transit. From the Report Launchpad, I'll open the report I want to modify. In this example, it's under Public Folders, Standard Templates, Circulation. I'll click the report name to open it. To view the existing report, I'll enter required prompts, in this case start and end date, then run the report. This report does not show item status transfer routing reason. By default, existing reports are initially in reading mode. To modify a report, it must be in design mode. So I'll click the reading button to change to design mode. The data dictionary in the right panel shows the objects that are available for the report. The object I want is not listed there, so I must add it to the query. To do this, under Query, click the Edit button. I'll drag the desired object to the Result Objects panel. If I wanted to add additional query filters, I could use the same technique by dragging them to the Query Filters panel. Next, in the Query panel, click Run. In the Prompts panel, click Run again. Now the new object, Item Status Transfer Routing Reason, is listed in the data dictionary, but it's not yet in the report. Now I need to add it to the report. To do that, I'll drag it to the desired location in the report. Note that if I hold the mouse pointer over a column, a horizontal box displays, indicating that I would be replacing that column. If I hold the mouse pointer between columns, I will be inserting the new object between those columns. Again, a vertical box indicates that you'll be inserting the new object between columns, and a horizontal box indicates that the new object will replace the existing column. Another way to add an object to a report, which you may find easier, is to first insert a blank column in the report, then drag the object to the empty column. For example, I'll right-click in the Item Transfer Routed Date column, then click Insert. Then I'll click Column on Right. Then I'll drag Item Status Transfer Routing Reason to the empty column. To delete an object from a report, right-click in the column you want to remove, then click Delete. It's not necessary to remove the object from the query. Once you're satisfied with the report, you can save it within Report Designer, for example, to run it again later. Or you can export it in file formats that can be used outside Report Designer. If you have questions about Report Designer, please visit help.oclc.org for documentation, training, and contact information for OCLC support in your region.